Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, you guessed it, we're going to build a gang sheet using Canva, and then I'm going to show you how to take it to my website and upload that gang sheet where you can now purchase gang sheets from me as well as individual transfers. But before we get into all that, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider checking out all of the other content on the channel. Smash that subscribe button so that you can stick around. Turn on that notification bell, like the video, and share the video out to tell others about me. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. So without further ado, let's go. Let's go ahead and get into it, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen with you all, and we're going to share our entire screen, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into it, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to get into Canva, and I need to do, that's the graduation design I'm working on, but let's create a new one. And we're going to do a custom size. We're going to change pixels to inches because we work in inches. I'm going to do 13 by 60, okay? You can do whatever size DTF gang sheet you need, but this is what we're going to use for today, okay? All right, y'all. So I'm going to look at what I have uploaded, and we're just going to use a few of these, okay? Now, what you want to do with the gang sheet is you want to make sure that all of this white space, if you have any, so I have already cropped this one apparently because it's pretty close around. So then you are going to put it like right here. Now you want an inch on each side because you want your DTFs to have that bleed line and that room to move, okay? That bleed line and that room to move. And I'm just kind of, so we have some white space around here. I'm going to hit edit. And then I'm going to use that crop feature. And what I'm going to do is bring this in as close as I can without cutting the image off, okay? So, oops, hold on, y'all. I didn't do it right. I didn't hit done after the fact. Okay, so now we're going to hit done, period. All right. And you'll know that you're within margin because those purple lines come up for you, okay? And you want to give each one of them room to breathe so that you are not cutting another image off. And we're just going to, and these are just some, oh geez, some random images, sublimation. These are actually sublimation images right here, but that's okay. It works for the purpose of what we need it to do, okay? And like I said, this is a 13 by 60, so keep in mind how many transfers you can actually get on a 13 by 60, okay? And again, you're just cropping off that white space because you want to maximize your DTF room, okay? So crop. And I know I got quite a few emails and messages from you guys. I am all right. I have been at work and coming home at 6:30, 7 o'clock at night. It's kind of hard to put up content at that time. And then when I got home Friday, I was drained just from coming home fighting traffic. Yesterday, I was fighting with the thing that was in the crate that I can't yet tell y'all about because I still have y'all in suspense. Trying to get it up and running. And then today, I have a little migraine going on. So there is that. But God willing, I will be back up and running for y'all next week. Okay. And then the week after, I'm home for 5 weeks. So yeah, there's that. But y'all will get some blogs from me next week because hubby and I are going on a little quick mini vacation. Okay. All right. So anyway, to carry on with our video at hand, I'm going to download this. So you're going to hit the share button. So let me click off. I'm going to hit the share button up here in the right hand corner. I'm going to hit download this. Okay. And what I want to do is I want to change this to 3. Oops, not 31, but 3, because you want to make sure that you are not messing up your transparent designs. Okay. And make sure that you have transparency turned on. Like I said, make sure, oops, this is at a 3, not 3.125, just 3. Okay. Turn on transparent background by marking that. And then you want to, before we download this, let me come up here and say, so we'll label it. And then we're just going to go back and we're going to repeat those steps. Turn this to 3, leave it at PNG, transparent background. We're going to download it. Okay. We're going to download it. Don't mind hubby sneezing in the background, even though he's in another room. Okay, y'all. So this is downloading. And then it should populate up here somewhere. And then we're just going to save it. I probably could have gotten one more somewhere. Now you can also, oops. Did I stop it from downloading? I probably did. But you can rotate the size on those to get more space as well. So you just fit them on there as well. Okay, there it is. So it didn't stop. All right, but while that's doing that, I'm gonna quickly show you. Let's find our rotate button here. Oh, where's our rotate button? Okay, well, it's not letting me rotate it, but you can rotate these, okay? But here's our DTF gang sheet that we downloaded. We saved it as a PNG. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to save it. It's probably going to tell us that it's already saved. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in. Where is our folder? Downloads. Interesting. I don't know where my DTF folder is, but that's interesting. But anyway, so we're going to create a new folder and we're going to call this DTF. Okay. And then enter. So we're going to click here. We're going to open it and we're going to save our gang sheet there. Close it out. Now we are going to go to my website. This is my website. I'm going to close this off. So this is my website, teesboutique615.com. And we're going to click on build a gang sheet. Okay. So these are our different sizes of our gang sheets that we offer. You're going to click right here, build your own gang sheet. So if you wanted one of each size, of course, you click on it and update the quantity. But here we go, build a gang sheet. And it is going to bring you to this right here. Okay. This is going to bring you right here. You can create you an account. And I highly suggest you create you an account so that I will be able to just go in and instantly find your order. Okay. So we're going to say, let's see what, I don't know what auto build is. Okay. So we're going to click on auto build. Nope. I don't think that one need upload images, downloads. OMG, DTF gang sheet, open. And it's uploading our gang sheet. Over here, you know it's uploading. You know you uploaded the right one because you can see your pictures. Okay. And I literally just built this today, this feature today, because I have gang sheet orders from a number of you guys. And I have the width margin at a 1/2 inch. So on both sides and all around. So all four going evenly around. It's at 99%. So this should be fairly easy and simple to upload. Now the other way is you can also drag and drop a file. It's checking each photo to make sure it's of high quality. And that's another thing, when you download images or you send images for your gang sheet, please make sure that they are 300 DPI by 300 DPI, which is a high quality. So this right here, and what I love about this program is if you don't have enough space, and like we clearly didn't fill up all of that space because we could have slid these over, rotated, and got about 3 rows. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick glimpse of what you could do, right? So this is our width of this gang sheet right here, okay? And then you would just apply it. And yeah, no. So these designs overlap. So let's go back and trash that. Okay. We're going to, how do you delete off right here? Y'all, like I said, I just literally built this. Okay, here's the delete button. All right, so we're going to delete that. Now, let me show you the other way you could do this, okay? So this is our gang sheet spacing right here. Upload our images, right? And we're going to go down to, y'all, I'm curious to know where my DTF folder went. Interesting. Let me see. Those are not PNGs. And we're just going to upload random pictures, okay? All right. And then what I'm going to do is, we don't want to edit that. So just when you bring it in from Canva, just make sure that you when you bring it in from Canva, just make sure that you have that room so you don't do like I just did. And these are going to have white space around them, but I've already showed you how to get rid of that white space by cropping it. So just make sure that you are cropping it. And I don't think all of these are high resolution images. I'm just trying to put some up here, okay? All right. So let's see what we got here. And then when I hit the auto build button, hopefully the auto build button is going to put it where you want it to go. I mean, where I want it to go, or put them in line so that it will fit, should I say. All right, now let's hit auto build. And we're going to apply it. Oh, you have to select how many of each image. Sorry. This is a 10.8 by 12, 12.9, 3.6, 12.9, 3.2. Hopefully these sizes fill up our gang sheet. And it did for the most part. Okay, so you see how that auto build feature works for us? So what we could do to fill up this space is, let me see. You click on here. See how it's adding it? And that filled up, well, most of our gang sheet. Okay. So that's how you would do your gang sheet right there. Then you're going to save and add to cart. Okay. Add to cart and check. Okay. And this is the first thing that you need to know. Okay. Come up here and name your gang sheet. Say, I don't know, the person's name is Sherry. You're going to say Sherry R is her last name, gang sheet, like that. Now, I want you to understand by checking this box that you have the full rights and you own this artwork, because if I find any artwork that, is print prohibited that I know about, I will not print those images. I will just in turn duplicate another image that you have. Okay. So by checking this box, you agree that you have full rights on this artwork. You also agree and understand that images uploaded are correct and the printer is not responsible for any differences in the color of artwork quality. Okay. So I just want y'all to be clear on that. And on gang sheets, because they are customized, these are images that you are sending me, there will be no refund. So make sure that you upload properly. You get the proper spacing, take your white backgrounds out, any of that. Okay. Because if I have to do any of that, then we get into a different price point. Okay. All right. So now we're going to add to a cart, and it should bring us now to the checkout cart, and it tells you. So if you preview it right here, you can hit preview. It's going to show you what your gang sheet looks like. Okay. So that's how you can do that. And then that's your cart. Then you would, of course, just click here. It's going to tell you your total. Choose how you want to pay. And if none of these ways are ways that you want to pay, just click out checkout. Just say for, you wanted to use a firm. I do offer a firm. So, and I do offer shop pay. So you could, let's see, let's use a different card. Well, it comes up if you already have a firm. I think that's how it goes, or at least that's how it went. So if you want, let's see what it gives you. Like this, okay? And then here's a firm right here, okay? There it goes. All right. And then you would just do your regular thing and check out. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'm going to come back to y'all. Thank you guys for hanging out with me so much. I hope you learned how to create you a gang sheet by using Canva. And I've also showed you how to upload it to my website. So until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Until next time, y'all be blessed and take care. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. Enjoy your day. Bye, guys.